Today we are at the field site in the village of Cegog doing blood sampling to detect antibodies to the trypanosome parasite, which we believe is a health threat to the Javan rhinoceros. Here is a really good example of the difficulty of accomplishing veterinary medicine to high standards in the field, where these buffalo very rarely see veterinary care, perhaps might see a veterinarian once a year, and there are very few veterinary professionals that are responsible for overseeing a large number of animals in this region.
This program was initiated by the WWF with our team leader, Dr. Fikri. When you're working with the community in a remote area, you cannot do anything without their trust. And that's what Dr. Fikri was building.
Over a course of years, Dr. Fikri has formed these relationships with the locals, talking to them about their concerns with their livestock, trying to explain to the farmers why we're here and that we're trying to benefit both the farmers and the Javan rhinoceros.
And it is important since the tabanet fly are the vector for the trypanosomiasis sura. It is an asymptomatic infection disease that can cause disease in the water buffalo, but it also can transmit to another sympatric ungulate such as banteng and Javan rhino.
The villagers say that they see a rhino appear about once a month. Where the villagers describe where they see the rhino appear and then where you see them take their water buffalo to graze, those two areas overlap directly. They have to take their water buffalo right to the grazing land when they're not being held. So it just really drives home how important it is that we continue working with the water buffalo right here in this area.
The farmers here are understandably skeptical when they see foreigners coming into their village and trying to work with their animals and take blood samples. And so again, it emphasizes the importance of these human relationships.
Unfortunately, when we are trying to conduct the blood sampling, the farmers are reluctant to get their water buffalo blood sampled. This is very common because communities often think that when their water buffalo is already healthy, they don't need any intervention whatsoever because they're afraid that if we do something with their water buffalo gets sick or something. In my subjective opinion, it's actually a lack of education regarding good health management and good husbandry too. And I think that's probably we have to do more regular education and socialization of what good health management is.